in this part, we are going to discuss about attachments of scapula on the dorsal aspect. So, this is the diagrammatic representation in which this brown color represents origination and purple represents insertion. So, this is the supraspinatus muscle originates from the medial two-thirds of the supraspinous fossa, including upper border of the crest, upper surface of the spine. Now, this is the infraspinatus muscle originates from the medial two-thirds of the infraspinous fossa, including some lower surface of the spine. Now we came to this. This is the long head of tricep brachii. This originates from the infraglenoid tubercle. Now this is the coracobrachialis and short head of bicep brachii. So coracobrachialis originates from the medial part of the tip of the coracoid process, and short head of bicep brachii originates from the lateral part of the tip of the coracoid process. Now we came to this trapezius muscle. So this gets inserted on the upper border of the crest of the spine, and so this is the upper border of the crest of the spine and the medial border of the acromion process. Now this is the deltoid muscle. So this muscle gets origination from the lower border of the crest of the spine, and so this is the crest of the spine, and this is the lateral border of the acromion process. So these gets. Now we came to the two slips of the teres minor. So this is the two slips of the teres minor, and this is the circumflex scapular artery. This circumflex scapular artery lies between the two slips of the teres minor muscle. So these are the two slips of the teres minor muscle. So this gets origination from upper two-third of the dorsal surface along the lateral border. Now this is the teres major muscle. This gets origination from the lower one-third along the lateral border on the dorsal surface or dorsal aspect. Now we came to the this is the teres major. Now we came to the latissimus dorsi muscle. This originates from the inferior angle on the dorsal surface, or we can say the inferior angle of the scapula. Now we came to this insertion along the medial border. So this is the levator scapulae muscle gets inserted on the medial border or dorsal aspect of the medial border from the superior angle to the root of the spinous process. Now this is the rhomboid minor muscle. This gets inserted on the medial border or dorsal aspect of the medial border opposite to the root of the spinous process. Now we came to this third muscle. This is the rhomboid major muscle. So this rhomboid major muscle gets inserted along the medial border or dorsal surface of the medial border from the root of the spinous process to the inferior angle. Now we will discuss about the superior aspect of the scapula in the next part. Thank you.